I made this dentist website in a couple of minutes with AI without any coding, without moving elements and being frustrated for hours. I'm going to share with you how you can do it also quick and effective. So look at that. We have book an appointment, our services here. Then we have welcome to Dentist Plus, complete dental care here, contact form that is working. Then we're going to have about us page. Then we're going to have the services here. Then we're going to have the doctors, and then we're going to have the contact here, and then we're going to have click here appointment, where they can get appointment here about when they want to have request here. So also prefer to call, they can call us. Very simple and effective. So here's the guy how we can make it also. So the first thing we're going to do is that we are going to use Claude Design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. Now we are not going to straight up start writing in prompts into Claude. What we have to do first is you have to come to Google and write here very simply the dentist templates website and find some template that you like, or you're gonna have website Webflow and or Figma or even Framer. So you are going to find some template, and we have to download it as a PNG for inspiration. So you don't want to let Claude to make it on your own. You want to give it some data. So beginner dev, I gave it already some kind of data, and here you're just going to write a prompt. So what the prompt should be is that the things that you want to have there, what you don't want to have there. So let's say I don't want to have a blog, because let's say I'm just going to run Google Ads. I'm not going to write articles. So what I would do is that, hey there, please make me a dentist website, and you're just gonna share the information. I'm sharing with you the screenshots that I want you to make me website like that, but I don't want to have blog. Also, you're just gonna write things. I want to have their contact form, header, ask me important questions about design and also animations, structure of the website. Just remember, I want to have it as on screenshots. And what will happen then is that the moment you're going to start to share the prompt, it's going to make you decide. Also, make it mobile friendly. I want to have multiple pages, so you're going to write there are multiple pages, the thing you want. Many times it's not going to do everything, it's going to do like 80%, but then what you're going to do is that you're just going to paste, let's say you want to have a screenshot from different kind of website as an inspiration because you like their about page much better, so you would just share the screenshot about page of that website. This is how I want it. And that's what you're gonna do. Very simple. So here you're gonna choose, I don't know if Fable 5 is going to be available, but just go with Opus 4.8. But when you're gonna do it, go with the effort that you want to have effort that is going to be high or max when you get to multiple pages. If you are going to have not a lot of pages, then like landing page, go with the medium, it's going to be sufficient. And then you're gonna edit straight up. Now, I already made the site for you to show. It didn't take just like one prompt, and I was just like changing the header here. Now, this is how it looks. Look at that. So after you're gonna start the prompt, it's going to ask you questions that you have to answer. Now you have multiple ways how you can edit. Always, before you're going to make any big changes, duplicate the project, because it's difficult for Claude to go back. So on the top left, you're going to have duplicate the project. You want to do it, okay? So you're going to have always, before you're going to make any big changes. So look, I'm going to show you how it looks. So here I got the Claude Design. Then I got About page. Look at that. Then also services here. Doctors. And then we have contact. So you see, it doesn't look bad at all. Now there is this black thing between loading. We want to change it. So I'm going to show you how we can do the changes. So first you can write here on the top, on the bottom left to chat. The second way is when you're going to click comment, and you would just like do this and you just write things there. Or you're going to have edit, and on edit you can edit like the text here or whatever. That's how it works. So I would write here, between loading pages, there is a black screen. Can it be more smooth and different? The transitions. Also, I want you to export me this website as index.html with related pages as to the HTML. So I can upload it to hosting and domain. So now I'm going to show you how you can also add a contact form to your site. It's very simple. When you're going to have a contact form right here, it's not going to work because it's a placeholder. So you want to come to Web3 Forms. Web3 Forms is an app that got free 250 a month intakes. And how it works is then I will show you. We have to get temporary email here. You just want to use your own email, but how it works is that you're just going to insert the code into the Claude. Is going to do it for you, and then the form is going to work. So I'm also sharing it to export me this as an index.html because I'm going to show you how you can upload it for your own site and for your own domain. So right here, look at that. Let's go here. Oh, here you go. So sign up, login, continue with the email. And I'm going to register here, send verification code. And now it's going to load, so we're just going to wait. 601. And this is something that you want to do if you want to have a contact form working. You can edit the site, you can add the images, it's not that difficult, right? You're just going to write it to Claude. Then you're going to have free forever 250 monthly submissions, which is very good. And then you can have my first form. This is like the dentist website. Create a form. And what will happen is that now it's going to give you the access key. So you're just going to paste it to Claude. So right here, when I'm going to come, I'm going to Claude. This is my API key for the form from Web3 Forms. That's you're just going to write here. And here is my code. So when I got the code, when I got everything, I'm just going to again take it and I'm just going to paste the code. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to paste it and then the form is going to work. And how it's going to work out is that when you're going to come here to the dashboard, then in dashboard, you're going to have it in submissions. So now we have to get the hosting, where in the site is going to work out. I'm going to also check it out. How are the changes between the pages? About, yeah, there is still a little bit. Oh, it's better now. Ah, look at that. It's perfect. Great, now that there isn't that black thing there. So what we're gonna do is get a hosting and domain. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the link down below in the description. You're gonna get to Hostinger. On the top left, you are going to find pricing. There, right here, you're gonna have web hosting, so premium unlimited. Now you're gonna go with the premium if you want to have just one website, let's say. And when you're gonna choose a plan for the premium, right here, you're gonna have period 48 months. And if you want a long-term project, go with 48 months. And for coupon code, write Marcus, where you're gonna have 10% off, okay? And that's how you're gonna do it. Then in search, it's gonna write your domain. And when you're gonna write a domain here, what is very important is that don't install any from the Hostinger, you know, the WordPress or their website builder. Go with 1 year if you want to, and then you would just like renew it after 1 year, and you got $158 for 48 months. Is not bad at all. So in the moment when you have this, then you're gonna come to Hostinger, and then to your profile, I'm going to show you how you can upload the website. So right here, you're gonna have websites, and I'm going to have a dashboard for it. And then you're gonna have the files, file manager. And I want to download the files that it's exported for me. Look at that, we're gonna have it, professional website, export. And we have all these things that we're gonna come to my files. And you're just gonna remove everything here and upload the folder. And now when I'm going to come right here to my website, I'm going to come to the websites and open the site. And look at that. Yeah, something doesn't work out. Let's just wait here. So it exported me in the wrong way. I don't know why. Okay, I'm going to tell it to export me again because something wasn't right. So you're just gonna send this code for the contact form. It's going to work out. So the images. So please make it like it's going to work as HTML. So add the images into HTML. Okay, so it now just sent me the public HTML. Hope this is going to be better. So here we go to open it. Okay, site, and we're just gonna paste it. And let's see how it's going to work now. So website, and let's open the site. Look at that. Finally it works. So this is fully working dentist website. How effective was this? And in the moment when you're gonna have the contact form, then it's going to work out. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video was beneficial. It's very quick. Then you also change the, for example, the social links on the top right. But you're just gonna tell Claude what to do, and if you want to make it better, and you're gonna make an amazing website. So have a great day and goodbye.